Imagine being late for an important meeting or stranded in the middle of nowhere because your car won't start due to a dead battery. Frustrating, isn't it? But before you resign yourself to another jumpstart or battery replacement, let's delve deeper into the root causes behind your battery's untimely demise. A dead battery is a common nuisance that many vehicle owners face, often at the most inconvenient times. While jump-starting your car or replacing the battery might seem like the quick fix, it's essential to understand why your battery keeps dying to prevent future occurrences. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the underlying factors contributing to your battery's premature demise. Common culprits. Age. Like all components, car batteries have a lifespan. If your battery is nearing its end, repeated dead battery incidents are expected. Parasitic drain. Certain electrical components, such as interior lights or faulty wiring, can draw power even when the vehicle is off, draining the battery over time. Extreme temperatures. Both hot summers and freezing winters can accelerate battery deterioration, leading to decreased performance and eventual failure. Faulty charging system. A malfunctioning alternator or voltage regulator can fail to replenish the battery's charge, causing it to drain quickly. Corrosion. Corroded terminals or loose connections can hinder the flow of electricity, resulting in inadequate charging and subsequent battery failure. Diagnostic solutions. Battery health check. Start by testing the battery's voltage and overall health using a multimeter or by visiting a mechanic. This helps determine if the battery is the primary issue. Electrical system inspection. Identify and rectify any sources of parasitic drain by inspecting the electrical system thoroughly. This may involve checking for faulty wiring, malfunctioning components, or aftermarket accessories. Charging system evaluation. Assess the alternator's output voltage and ensure that the charging system is functioning correctly. Replace any defective components to prevent further battery drain. Terminal maintenance. Clean the battery terminals regularly to remove corrosion and ensure a secure connection. Consider using terminal protectors or corrosion inhibitors to prevent future buildup. Environmental considerations. If extreme temperatures are a concern, invest in a battery with a higher cold cranking amp rating for cold climates or opt for heat-resistant models in hot regions. Don't let a dead battery become a recurring nightmare. By understanding the root causes behind battery failure and implementing preventive measures, you can avoid the frustration and inconvenience of unexpected breakdowns. Remember, proactive maintenance and diagnostic checks are key to keeping your vehicle's electrical system in optimal condition. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful automotive tips and tricks to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Share this video with fellow car owners who might be facing similar battery woes, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.